What's up guys, today we're doing a bike review on this bike, the Cube Aim Pro 2018 model, and pretty cool bike. It's good for wheelies, and then got some spokes down there, got a really good radiator and nothing happens to us, as you can see. And we've also got a cup holder, good plastic pedals so you can hurt yourself, and we got no discounts this year, and we got a bit of a rusty chain because it's old.
So what do you think about the bike? How is it when you wheelie?
It's really cool when you're wheeling, I've got to admit. The suspension's not so great, but if you can just make it better by loosening it and putting oil on it. So you can see it's not that great, but it's fun.
Right.
The gears are pretty light, the bike's pretty light, as you can see.
It's a pretty good bike to get, yeah?
Yeah.
So if you're looking at Christmas bikes, I'd recommend the Cube Aim Pro.
2018 model.
Yeah. It's pretty good. Alright.
And then
Thanks guys for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Bye.
like and subscribe the video.